So hello guys, I'm gonna do and upgrade my gauntlet. So there, I only need 10 more kills. So bam, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and yes, yes. So let's upgrade our gauntlet now. Okay. Whew. I grinded these skills for over a week now.
Naalala mo ba bakit ko siya mo nilagay yung lighter kanina?
Okay. So, okay. Now, I'm gonna do it now. Wait, let me just. Okay. Oh, no! No! Oh no! Okay, I think I got the wrong upgrade. But okay. So I think I'm gonna farm again for the upgrade of the gauntlet. No. So thank you for watching. I guess this is the upgraded version. So
Paano to
first strike
Tito Maki?
or wait. What?
Tito Maki, paano to
Ano? So
Tito Maki.
bye for now.